Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, that is Language Learning and Listening. So in this video, today I am going to discuss about article writing because it is the much more needed topic for you. In this video I will explain what is article and then I will give the format of it for writing. So let's start. An article is a piece of writing written for a large audience. The main motive behind writing an article is that it should be published in either newspapers or magazines or journals so as to make some difference to the world. So let's move to the format of it. So what will be the format? Here you can easily understand. The basic outline for an article writing format given below. First one will be heading or title of the article. Mind it that heading and title of the article will be much more catchy. That means it will be attractive enough. Next one, number 2, here you will write just after the heading. Heading will be in the middle of the page, and in the next line, right side under it, here you will write a line having the writer's name. That means byline. It is called byline. The writer's name means actually who is writing the article. The writer's name will be here. Next, number 3rd point will be the body. Body, here the main part of the article. That body will be included 2 or 3 paragraphs. You may separate the paragraph. Now, what will be the paragraphs? Here it will be discussed. First one will be introductory paragraph. Now in the introductory paragraph, you begin with a short introduction of the topic by giving some quotations or startling fact to arouse the interest of the reader. Okay, that is the introductory paragraph. It will be much more prominent. Next one, number 2 will be descriptive paragraph. Here require a complete analysis of the subject matter in this portion. Mind it, this descriptive paragraph will be larger than introductory paragraph and conclusion. Next one, another paragraph you may add, you may not add, that will be additional information. That means if you want to add on this topic any other additional information, if needed, then you can add it. And at last, after the body, giving one line gap, that means breaking the para, you will write conclusion. Now what will be the conclusion? In that part, ending paragraph of the article, here with the opinion or recommendation, anticipation or appeal. That means in the concluding paragraph, you will give the opinion of your own. Okay, recommendations of any other suggestions or proposal for that rising fact, for that problem. And now anticipations or an appeal. You can put an appeal to some higher authority or some government, okay, to bring the solution from their side. So here conclusion will be done. So in that way you will complete the format of article writing. Mind it, whenever you will write in the copy, that heading or title, that word you will not write, body, even introductory paragraph, descriptive paragraph, additional information, conclusion, all these words, all these terms you will not write. You will write what they are, only to show them some difference. Okay? I hope you have understood well. Thank you. Take care yourself.